Oh, we are muted. Sorry, guys. Okay. Let's do this again. Welcome. So, welcome everyone. Let's do this again. Welcome. This is another live trading session. We are December 7th. We are Tuesday. We are in for another amazing session. No, it's thank you, Zoom people, for telling me. Um, Thank you for our students. And yeah, so we're gonna have another amazing session. I mean, hopefully. And yeah, so let's get going. It's gonna be a Franglish live session, so I'll be bouncing from French to English. So don't be shy to answer any question you have. If you want to check different pairs, make sure to send a chart, right? So bonjour et bienvenue, bon matin à tous. On est à une autre session de trading en direct. On est le 7 décembre, on est mardi, et on devrait avoir une autre très belle session. En fait, on l'espère. Euh, et si vous avez des questions, ne vous gênez pas à poser vos questions. Si vous avez des paires différentes que vous voulez qu'on regarde, faites ça d'envoyer votre chart. All right. So let's get going. All right. So the end gesture are awesome. Thank you, Jason. All right. So before we get started, let's see here. Okay, no sound. So hopefully sound is back, right? So let me just confirm that before. Yeah, Oh, okay, perfect. I was like, did I do that 2 times and it was muted? I was like, that would be 2 times a week. Yeah. All right. Let's get moving here. All right, so let's start with GJ. All right, so let's start with GJ. So GJ monthly. Let me put this here. All right. So GG monthly here is bearish so far. Sorry, last month did close bearish. Right now we are doji-ish. Okay. Right now, if you look on the monthly, what you got, we might see something like this. If we do break this monthly support, we are in for a crazy melt for the beginning of the year, which will be a little correction from this uptrend, which is normal. But yeah, so far we are doji. We went a little bit up, went a little bit down. We did broke previous low. So technically this month should continue to the downside, but we are having a really hard time breaking this monthly support. Donc si on regarde sur le chart du mois, donc on a un double sommet. On pourrait avoir une grosse descente si on brise le support ici sur le support du mois. Présentement, le mois passé a fermé à la baisse, donc c'est ce qui a créé notre double sommet. On est présentement doji, donc on a brisé le bas précédent, on n'a pas brisé le haut précédent, donc techniquement on devrait continuer vers le bas pour le mois. Let's take a look at the weekly right now. All right, so if you look at the weekly, this is something I'm back testing for swing trade idea. I did not take this trade on the live account. This is just an idea I had, and I want to test if it works. My idea was based on the fact that if you look here, when we tap this 149 major QP, look here, first time, okay, on the weekly time frame. We touched this 149, we rejected to the upside pretty hard. We came down here, same thing happened. Down here, same thing happened. Down here, we kind of, not really touch it, but we went really close to this area again, rejected it again, rejected it again, rejected it. And now we are touching it for the what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th time the same level. It's either we're gonna break that one or we're gonna reject again super hard. So it's just trying to see if we can mirror this move and push to the upside. Donc, si on regarde sur le chart de la semaine, on a vu qu'on a rejeté à plusieurs reprises le 149. Ceci est une idée de swing trade. Donc, je ne l'ai pas pris en live, mais je veux voir quand même si ça fonctionne. Donc, on verra ce que ça va donner. Let me just paste that. Just just going to paste that in my Trixie. Where's my Trixie? Trixie. Right here, trade idea. Bear with me. Let's go. GJ buy. This was from yesterday. Swing. All right. All right, let's get back at it. All right, so far right now, this weekly went up to create this top wick, and we didn't came down yet. Like a tiny bit. So we're probably creating the top wick so far, and probably gonna come down later on this week. Donc, si on regarde le chart de la semaine, donc on est en train de créer présentement um, le haut de la mèche pour redescendre éventuellement. So this would be on the technical side, right? This trade idea is not based on how I trade usually. So this is why I'm going to remove that from the chart from now. But this was just, my idea here. And the reason why also we broke structure on H4. All right, so this was the plan from yesterday. So let's delete all that. Start fresh on the daily. All right. Okay. So daily so far right now, I mean, yesterday did close bullish. We are respecting this QP right here. They went 5,500. Look at this, right on the dot. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So we went up right here, and now we're rejecting this area once again. So far today, we did broke previous high, respected previous low. So are we coming down just to create a bottom wick and push back up again? Very confusing here. So we'll see later on what we got. Donc, si on regarde sur le chart de la journée, donc on a brisé le haut précédent, on a respecté le bas précédent aussi. Reste à voir, est-ce qu'on est monté en haut pour créer la mèche d'en haut pour redescendre éventuellement ou vice-versa? Très difficile à dire présentement, on n'a pas beaucoup d'informations. All right, so now looking at H4, all right, so if you look at H4, we did broke structure right here. All right, so if you look right here, we did broke that structure, right? So we broke this high. So now we create a new high, okay? Plus we broke above 151. So technically, like leaving my swing trade idea aside, and back to how I would be trading this, it would be like this, because since we are breaking the structure, I'm looking for buy to the upside, right? And right now we're getting to this golden zone. If we respect this major QP 150 and we do form support right around there, I expect price to push back up. Right here. So what I want is price come here. We create a new high. We want price to come down, form support, to go retest the high here and create a new high, and goes like this. Something like that. Donc, ce qu'on veut, c'est que là, on a formé un nouveau sommet. On veut que le prix redescende vers le bas, former un support pour retester le nouveau sommet et en créer un nouveau par la suite. On a brisé la structure en 4 heures, donc je m'attends à un mouvement vers le haut. But if we do close under 150 though, and under the safety net, actually, let me place my safety net. If we do break the safety net, I'm going to be looking for short. So this is going to be my safety net right here. All right, so now let's do our zone. So this is All right, so this is the zone that we just broke, right? So this was our high. So price came up, we broke this high, and now I wanted to retest, but it looked like we're gonna need a little movement down to form support and continue up. But it might also be the sign for continuation to the downside. It's a very tricky area here, very very tricky. So let's do our zone. So this this would be my most recent resistance, and this is going to be next support. All right, here is going to be a lot of problem, but after that we should be clear. We should be clear after 151 750. We should be clear. We got this little area here, but shouldn't be a big problem. Let's take a look on H1. Donc, si on regarde sur le 4 heures, donc comme je expliqué, on veut. Ah, je l'ai expliqué déjà. All right, so let's do H1. So you see on H1, we cleared a high, but now we're having problem with the same area here. Let's actually move down this over here. That's good. That's good. Down, 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 down. Perfect. Excelente. Yeah, same idea here for H1. We have this little area here, so that we're breaking. But yeah, there's a lot of problem here, so might form support here. All right, so basically main idea would be to actually let's do, sorry guys, let me just fix this. Perfect. So what I see is price to come here, come down, form support to continue up. So this is something I'm looking at. All right, now let's go take a look at gold. Gold is just, oh my gosh. Oh my gold. Right, Hugo?
Man, fuck gold.
Fuck gold, man. I tried a swing trade on gold yesterday night. Fwah, fwah, fwah.
Terrible that pair, but it can be your friend, but it can be not your friend too.
No, it's fun sometimes. All right, so if you look at the weekly here, last week did close bearish, but with small body, and we're respecting this weekly support right here on gold. So very tough area again. Yeah, so not much information right here on this weekly so far. Donc si on regarde le chart de la semaine, on n'a pas beaucoup d'informations en fait. On a la semaine passée, on a fermé à la baisse, mais petit quart, et on a rejeté le support de la semaine. If you look at the daily, hey guys, as you come in on YouTube, don't forget to smash that like button, please. That'll be very, very appreciated. So if you look on the daily right now, we're just ranging. We are just ranging right here. So very important. Be careful here. I tried to be a hero yesterday, and I learned my lesson with gold. Don't try to be a hero. But here we're tested, this daily support, and it got rejected, and we're just playing in that range right now. So this is our daily range. You know, we're gonna take a look at here on H4. So boom, boom, boom. Okay, so this gonna be a lot of problem. This area also. And after that, we got this. Wow. Okay, so basically, only gonna be looking at something. Probably, above here is gonna be the easiest trade, and between this and this, we got a wick fill. So here can be nice. We got some clean traffic here. So also gonna be looking at something above here. So that'll be great. And of course, to the downside, yeah, downside is kind of iffy. But after that, that can be nice. Yeah. So here, oops. Here we have 75 pips, so that's pretty good. So I'm gonna be looking for something under here, but the safest trade is gonna be obviously here. All right. All the rest, meh. Let's see. Nah. Well, maybe here to the downside here on H1. Yeah. If we do break this area right here, this is actually the area I was trying to cut yesterday night. Um, this is the same idea I tried to cut last night. It was like, yeah, because I had this zone right here. I was trying to break the low here, and yeah. So, anyways, so I'm gonna put the zone down over here, and I want to clear that area and looking for something under here. It's going to be clean traffic to this area here. Cool. Donc, ce serait pas mal l'idée pour l'or. Donc, si on regarde sur le 4 heures, le trade le plus sécuritaire sera vraiment au-dessus du 18-11. Sinon, il y a une très belle possibilité aussi en haut de 18-00. Et sinon, en bas de la zone de 1 heure ici, il peut y avoir une belle possibilité aussi. Et si on regarde aussi en bas ici et en bas ici. All right.
I think you're gonna be a gold digger today. I don't know. I got a feeling.
I got a feeling. All right, so let's do it here. Perfect. Actually, this is very high. I don't think we're gonna go there today. All right, so let's go to GA. All right, so GA trade idea from yesterday. I didn't execute on it. This actually played out very nicely. Holy fuck, that runner would be poo. Okay. Oh no, I would have been stop and break even here. But yeah, oh man. Nice trade. So this was based on the dogtail setup here. This is something we discussed in the session with students yesterday. I said under this area can be a nice trade. So at 8 a.m. we had a clean candle close, and you wait for the dogtail setup. So price come up and break the low, and yeah, your aim this next major QP, and you're in for 24 pips for a 10 pip stop loss. So pretty nice, pretty nice. Now let's remove all this. right, let's see. Before we do GA, let's go see if we have any comments or questions. All good. Okay. Hey, Sasha, good to see you. Thank you very much, Paul. Thank you very much. Hey, guys, don't forget to smash that like button as you come in on YouTube. We should be at least at 40 likes, man. We should be at least at 40 likes. Can you help me out here a little bit? Ouais, let's go, là. Bon garçon. All right, so no question. Let's continue with GA. Oops. What the hell am I doing? All right. Okay, everything removed. All right, so monthly candle right here. Monthly, okay. Weekly, nice. So weekly, last week we did close bullish, but so far this week we didn't broke previous high and we are just melting right now. So, we're respecting this major QP, but we don't have a lot of information. Donc, si on regarde sur le chart de la semaine passée a fermé à la hausse. Et on respecte le QP majeur 1,89 000. Oui, c'est ça. 1,89. Et cette semaine, on fait juste descendre. On a respecté le haut précédent. Donc, on a formé la mèche du haut. On a respecté le haut précédent et on continue vers le bas en ce moment. All right. So let's take a look on the daily. So daily yesterday closed small body bearish candle, respecting this 89,000 major QP, like I said. Now we're getting really close to this daily support. If we do break this, I mean, we're coming down and we got clean traffic here on the daily candle. So, and we got a wick fill also. So should be pretty nice. 4 hours. Let me do this in French. Donc, si on regarde sur le journalier, donc on a fermé la mèche du haut, on a descendu en bas, on a brisé le bas précédent et on a continué. On arrive maintenant à un support journalier. Donc, il faut faire attention, mais si on brise ça, on aurait la mèche à remplir ici et on a le champ libre à gauche avec cette chandelle-ci. Looking at H4, I mean, the overall trend, don't get me wrong, the overall trend is bullish, right? But let's see here what we got on H4. We got our golden zone right here, and we just destroyed it. H4 golden zone. And the safety net, as we speak, we are breaking it. So this is a big sign for sign that we're going to come down and break the structure to the downside if we do stay under that safety net. Donc, si on brise la golden zone et le net de sécurité, c'est un gros signe qu'on devrait continuer vers le bas. So now let's do our zone. Yeah, mostly like this. Hopefully we don't come in this shit area, because this was really horrible. But after that, wow. All right, let's take a look at H1. So H1 did broke the major QP, come retest and coming down. Okay. We got a lot of noise, man. A lot of noise. Crazy. And this coming straight down. Okay. So let's see what happened with this. But No, right now I don't have any plan for GA except for if we start breaking this area, I'm gonna be looking for shorts. But in the meantime, we might also need price to retrace up, form resistance. Because when we form a new low, we're gonna need price to come up, form resistance to go retest that low. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, there's nothing much to do. I mean, this area that we're breaking right now, which is the safety net also. So let's take a look at H1 actually. Yeah. So we're breaking this area. So maybe if we have a break and retest, we can go visit the next area here. So we'll see. All right, so what time is it now? 7:22. We got 8 minutes left for this 30-minute candle. So let's see what happened. Let's see. Let's check if we have any comment question. After that, we're gonna put some music.
DJ Sash, put the music.
David, is there any minimum amount of pips you look for in the dogtail? Usually I go for 15 pips, but it depends on the setup. If there's clean traffic, I might go a little longer, but usually I close partials at 15 pips and leave a runner. But it depends. If you have super clean traffic, probably gonna aim for the next QP or something like that. Eric, miss you dogs. Thanks for come back. Hey, what's up? What's up, Eric? Yes, yes. But I didn't leave. I didn't leave. Did I leave? Did I leave? I don't know. I can't remember. But no, I'm just starting a little later. I need to change that banner, but just starting to start a little later because I mean, there's no point. There's no movement. I mean, the move happened later on for the past couple months. So
there's always a move at 8 a.m.
Yeah.
8:30, not before.
Yeah, right now it's 8, 8:30, 9, 9:30. A lot of moves at 10 now. It's crazy. So, hey, I know you guys like 25th, because it's like December date. It's like Christmas, but we're stuck on 25 likes because can we get to 40? Can we get to 40? What's up with that, man? Come on, help me out here. All right, so let's put some music here. YouTube. Let's do some music.
Okay, boom.
Boom. Thank you.
Mr. Miller giving a like. Yeah. Good morning. Morning. En passant, Sacha, GG rejected 250 right on my trend line. Boom.
Oh, no, not the magical trend line. God damn. Is the music too loud or not loud enough?
Juste pas la musique.
Ah, pour vrai? Oops.
No stress.
What about now?
C'est bon. Un peu mieux. Oh, we hear it. Moi, j'entends pas grand-chose. Peut-être que c'est pas fort.
Faut que tu montes le son.
Yeah.
All right. Perfect. So we got 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Wow, man. Destroyed it. Oh, look at this. Mr. Miller, are you ready to get your tattoo on when BTC reach 10K?
I don't understand your obsession. Je comprends pas. I don't understand your obsession with this. you're like Bill Ackman on NBA 2007. See, you just want this to fail. I don't get it.
I don't want it to fail. It's just logical. For me, this up there is not logical.
You've been saying this since literally
couple months.
Last year. It's been a year.
Yeah.
A full year.
Yep. And it's gonna go there.
Pour ça, je vais être là si ça se passe, le tatou. C'est écœurant, man. Écœurant.
Oh man, this is gonna be amazing. It's gonna be so amazing.
I still believe that one day we'll wake up and all the BTC will be a scam.
Dun, dun. Man, if we do break this freaking weekly support, man, sayonara. But yeah, so far we're respecting the safety net. But once we break this, oh boy, oh boy. Dun, dun. Oh, when you look at this, it actually played out very nicely on this monthly fib. Came down in that golden zone, poof, rejected it. Dun, dun. All right, let's get back to our things. 30-minute just closed. Let's go take a look at it on GJ. So we did broke under this little area here. Actually, H1. All right, so we did broke under this area. So let's see if we can get a retest and price can melt to this golden zone. So that can be like a counter trend trade idea, to go to this golden zone and use this golden zone as a TP. So I'm gonna keep that in mind. Let's see if we have any question before we go take a look at GA. Danny, hey Sasha, how do you manage risk in trades and how do you manage to stay calm while price is going deeper and deeper into drawdown? It all depends on the setup, but let's say I enter on the 30-minute candle. Most of the time, I will actually wait for this 30-minute candle to play out because most of the time, when I enter 30-minute candle, decide to close partials in drawdown, it goes back my way. So that's why now I'm holding for 30-minute at least. If it closes against me, I'm gonna get out of the trade. If price is effy and just not playing nicely, I'm just gonna cut risk, right? So either close 25%, close 50%, whatever, close partials. So all depends. But it's normal for price to come down before going back up. So when you understand this, and the other thing also is when I place my risk, when I place my stop loss, I know exactly how much I'm risking. I'm accepting the fact that this is the money at risk, you know. So if you're not okay with that, maybe reduce your lot size, right? Maybe reduce your lot size and gain confidence as you go. Hopefully that helped. Sasha, why did you ignore the 152 PP? $152 PP. What's PP? On GJ, 150, 200, I guess. 150, 200. What's 150, 200? Let's see. 150, 200. Oh, right here. Check. Because on H1, there's nothing. Yeah, there's nothing on H1. There's just like a doji-ish. This is for me a write-off candle. Probably pivot point. Yeah, I don't know what's pivot point. Sorry. Well, I know what it is, but I don't know anything about it. And how do you deal with emotional side of drawdown losses? I see myself get emotional when take some losing trades in a row. Yeah, well, if you take some losing, first of all, you should not take a lot of trades on the losing side in a row. Because if you take more than two, I mean, you should get out of the screen, right? So, I mean, after two losses, you should be out, and you come back the next day, So if you're getting many losses day after day, you should take a break, take a break, go back on the chart. So usually what I tell my students is if you have 3 losses in a row, you need to go back on demo account and win 3 trades in a row to come back on live. All right. So not one, losing 2. Let's say winning 1, losing 1, winning 1, winning 1. No, it's in a row, right? So 3 wins in a row. You need to come back live. So that's something you can do to help you out. Sasha, you're available for 1-on-1 today. Yes. Oh, yeah. completely forgot yesterday. Um, the next 2 weeks are a little crazy for me. But let's try to do yeah, until the 15th, it's gonna be insane. But let's try to do. Can you do after the 15th for your one-on-one? Because the next couple of days gonna be just a little crazy. Let's see, calendar. Where's my calendar? Right here. So maybe the 17th, Friday the 17th. That would be great. Preferably before. Okay. Um, let's try to do. Let's try to do. Uh, you know what? Let's. Okay. Let me try to see what's my schedule on for today. What time I need to leave. Try to do today. Can you do nights? Like, are you on the same time zone as me? Yeah, same time zone. Okay. Can you do after not not tonight. I'm going to the Abs game. Um but tomorrow night after you know what? Tomorrow morning. Yeah, tomorrow morning that'll be great. Yeah, let's do tomorrow morning. Um Oh, look at this, Phil. Look at this. God damn it. Shit. That is equal to. Oh no, is that 2T? God damn it. It's 2-0 for sure. Phil doesn't want to answer. He's mad at me. Nothing is happening today. Oh, we got this in 48 minutes for gold. All right, not much is happening so far. Oh ben, Monsieur Labrec, il a sa caméra.
Ah oui.
Tabarouette.
On va montrer à Ferry en même temps.
Tabarouette.
Pas pire, hein?
Pas pire pareil, pas pire pareil. Il faut l'HD, le gars.
C'est arrivé vite, honnêtement, puis super la qualité, sérieux.
Ben ouais,
Bon choix.
c'est clair, là.
Le gars m'a pas conseillé de la merde.
C'est top tier, man.
Top tier.
Man, moi qui pensais aller faire du ski hier, man. C'est fou, ça.
Mais hein? J'ai-tu hâte d'aller en faire sérieux?
Danny, did I manage? What was this question? Oh, did I manage this trade right, or should I have let it run? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. All right, so this is gold 1 hour. Okay, so price created resistance at rejection zone. SL was at 15-minute wicks. Okay. Took sales, expecting price to drop to H4 zone. Price went down to 9-10 pips plus, then went to BE and started flipping bullish, breaking its own high. After I closed, full gold went to smash TP exactly around 5-10 minutes after I closed. But okay, so the best advice I can give you is would you sell, would you buy when you took your TP, would you buy at this place? If the answer is no, leave and run. If the answer is yes, close that trade, you know. So that can be also something you can ask yourself, right? But here you've been trading in that range. So if it was me, I would be closing after like a couple pips also, because this range is just dirty as fuck. So you don't want to play in this. Yeah, I mean, personally, if I was in that trade, I would be closing very, very, very soon, you know, like a 10, 15, 20 pips ish, not more, and get the fuck out of there, because, I mean, you're playing in a range, and playing in a range can destroy account. What's up, Mr. The Stash?
Bon matin, bon matin.
Bon matin.
Ça promet sur DJ, mon gars. Je suis excité.
Ouais, on a un changement de direction, là.
Je pensais que c'était parce que je suis là, Marc.
Mais non, c'est parce que t'étais pas là, j'étais excité pour vrai.
Ah, ok. En forme, mon vieux?
Yeah. Toujours. Puis le Satch, il y a le H4, mais il y a aussi, moi j'ai tracé un fil dans H1 que je serais comme prêt à dealer avec aussi. Là. Tu sais, si tu traces d'ici à là.
Voyons voir.
Comme si jamais on forme support ici, j'irais là.
On a racheté 3,2, mais on n'a pas complété le fil. Hein?
Ouais.
C'est FI. Hein? Ben, je le ferai pas basé sur le fil parce que je l'aime pas, là. Mais le fait que cette zone-là est vraiment chiante. Que si on respecte cette zone-là, oui.
Il y a une belle engulfing en achat
Ouais.
par-dessus. Nous verrons bien.
Ouais. Il faudrait qu'elle ferme en haut de 500.
Parce que de se rendre au Wash 4, c'est comme 50 pips. Après ça, faire notre price action, ça même tard dans la journée. D'après moi.
Ouais.
On verra.
Mais l'autre affaire que tu peux avoir, c'est effectivement, c'est ça. Puis là, tu prends la prochaine.
Faire que ça. Puis la prochaine, elle fait bang!
Ouais, non, c'est ça. Directement la H4.
GG, c'est pas GA, fait que je le trust plus.
Il faut pas virer fou, hein?
Ben, c'est ça. C'est assez fou de même.
Toi, t'as pas mal. On sait ça. Surtout quand tu vois Marilou, hein? Ouf, ben
ça, c'est l'officiel.
Bam, bam. All right, missing 8 likes to get to 40. Let's get it.
I did like it.
Good boy. By the way, guys, if you didn't subscribe to the channel yet, to do so. And I want to say thank you, everyone, because we reached 4K subscriber.
Okay, I'll be back.
Boom. Yeah, 4K subscriber. Thank you very much, guys. So we're going to do some giveaways soon. I was supposed to do it last Friday, but I had something. But we're going to do some giveaways soon. All right, we got 10 minutes left. Let me take the dog outside and I'll be right back. By the time I'm back, I guess we're going to be at 40 likes because you guys are amazing, right? Let me just check quickly here. All right, I'll be right back. All right. Oh, missed some chat here. Hello, everyone, please. Who can share Fibonacci indicator with me? Oh, thanks. In screen. And Gilbert, if you watch the course on Fibonacci, you should that should help you also. All right, I think the like button is defect, man. I was really expecting you guys to make me a surprise here and smash the like button to 40.
Je pense que rendu là, on peut juste fermer le stream.
Ouais, je pense que ouais. So I should close the stream right now then.
Ouais, parce qu'à chaque fois qu'on ferme le stream, c'est là qu'on a des trades.
C'est vrai. Je sentais la consistance venir, mais ces 2 derniers mois ont été très mauvais. J'espère que c'était quelque chose qui faisait partie de ce voyage. Oh, absolument, Alex. Le trading va t'amener des surprises, puis tu vas avoir à apprendre à tous les jours. Quand tu penses que tu as compris, ça te ramène sur terre. Still going through the course. Yeah, that's good, Gilbert. Yeah, make sure to go through all those sections. All right, so what's happening here? What time is it? We got 2 minutes left. 2 minutes.
That's rejection on GG.
Yep. So the other thing we were discussing with Mark did the H1 fib, giving him a golden zone around here. Personally, I don't really like that H1 fib, but I like the fact that this area is a lot of problem, and if we respect this zone and start to form a support here with a nice engulfing candle closing above 500, we can go retest the high. And I think this would be the 382 on H4, isn't it? Let me check. Yeah, we just rejected 382. So that can be a nice sign also. Check le gars, man. Il est rendu cowboy. Tabarnak. Ben, vas-y, man. Si tu le feel, go ahead. Ouais.
Ah ouais, engulfing par-dessus 500 en 5 secondes. Let's go. Ah.
Tu sais, oublie pas que H1 est encore bearish. Ça.
Ouais. On peut juste withfield tout ça.
Si H1 avait flip bullish, ouais, ça serait été un autre game.
On the break of the high.
Ouais. So right now it's a smaller body candle. We close under 500 on this 30-minute. And H1 did close bearish, doji-ish. Like some people call that hammer, some people call that whatever you want to call it. But small body candle closing above this range. We just rejected 382 fib on the H4. And we rejected the 250 QP level. Let's take a look at gold. Gold H1 closed bullish, but we're still in that mess here, so not excited at all. GA 1 hour closed bearish small body candle. But we close under that safety net though. H4 is still open, obviously, for another hour. So this 30-minute close bullish. So are we getting this break and retest like I said earlier? So if we can get like this basic, break retest here.
On GA?
Mm-hmm.
Took a really, really small entry just
Oh.
to execute.
If you got negative energy, don't be around me. I'm feeling good.
So, Mark, you got an entry on the break of the eye? That's what you said?
Non, j'ai dans le down week.
Oh, in the down wick. Okay.
En ce moment, je suis genre à bloquer.
C'est bien ça, c'est bien ça.
Gros trade, là.
Ça peut y aller, ça peut y aller.
Juste pour le fun. Si on réussit à briser le high en H1, là, ça serait délicieux.
Yeah, I like this rejection here on H1.
Bah, ça fait pas longtemps qu'il a join.
Non. Non, ça fait peut-être une couple de semaines, hein, 3 semaines peut-être. C'est fou, j'ai eu quand même une couple de nouveaux, puis ils sont comme pas présents sur Discord. Zéro, man.
Ils sont pas rendus à la fin du coup.
Ouais, non, c'est ça. C'est là que tu vois que c'est comme un gym, hein. C'est fou.
Ah, tout le monde sont prêts à payer leur abonnement au mois de janvier, mais après ça, au mois de mars, il n'y a plus personne qui s'en va. C'est triste, mais en même temps, ça permet de filtrer les vrais. Puis de
Ah ouais, c'est sûr. Là. Danny, impulse buys might work as 30-minute close strong bullish. Plus, we have a high potential retest. Yes, actually, that's one of the reasons why Mark actually entered that trade. I didn't. Let's do breakdown on both possibilities. So the first possibility is the buy. That the buy can work. Why? So now let's establish why the buy can work. The buy can work because we're rejecting this area, which is the 382 on the fib. We are rejecting this support right here, which was a consolidation zone. And we closed bullish here on 30-minute, but it's not a strong, like it's an okay close. It's not a strong close would be like engulfing candle closing above 500. I would be in that trade if it was the case. But since H1 was still bearish, if you look at H1, H1 did close bearish, so that's why I was like, yeah, you know, I need a stronger confirmation on 30-minute for me to jump on if H1 is still bearish. But I can see why it can work. Now, why it can't work. Fact of we need a retracement down to this golden zone. The fact that we have a nice wick fill here to the downside. But yeah, I can see this work, just like to be honest.
But it's a pretty early entry, actually.
It's really tricky.
Ooh, I'm about to break that H1 high.
Yeah, if you break this H1 high, you'll be fine.
Can we? Running 5 pips.
Everything. Holy.
Holy shit.
Oh, okay.
7 pips.
Let's go, Mark.
Can we do the magic sound?
Fuck yeah, let's do it. That's looking good.
So I just cut my risk in half by trading my stuff.
Nice.
So H1 high is broken now.
Yep. Yeah, that's pretty good. Goodbye. Oh, it's going.
8 pips.
Welcome to our new people jumping on YouTube. Make sure to smash the like button as you come in, guys. And don't forget to subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet. We're going live every Tuesday and Thursday morning for the NY session. Also going live on Wednesday night and Friday night for Forex Talk Over Beer. So by the way, if you didn't watch last episode that we had here, which was with Charlene here, you definitely want to watch this right here with Charlene. It was amazing. Charlene did pass the torch challenge with Qbanks, and we talk about psychology. We talk about all kind of stuff. She actually broke down a trade at the end of the session also that actually played out. That she was like a couple $100 away from passing the torch challenge. And that trade that she broke down is actually the trade that made her win the torch the next day. So you definitely want to go check that. Oops, what I did. Sorry, guys. So yeah, you definitely want to go check this out. There we go. Yeah, definitely want to go check this out. All right, 42 likes. Next step is 50. 50. 50 like. Next quarter point, 50 likes.
Come on, GG.
Nice break and retest here on GA. Yep. Bam, 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 bam. Are we gonna get to double top here? Yeah, GG needs some pre-market fuel.
Really needs it because getting slow around that quarter point. All right, almost. It's so close, man.
I know that feeling.
Line addiction, right?
Tu vois, depuis que j'ai dit que BTC allait à 10 000, man, Phil, il a fermé sa caméra, il a quitté le stream. Il m'haït, mon gars, là. Il est en tabarnak.
Genre, ouais, fuck that, la crypto.
Même chose, le Wego a crissé son camp aussi.
Ah, moi, je suis encore là, même si je me suis fait dip ça d'en face, je suis encore ici.
Est-ce que j'ai exit au bon moment, mon gars? Je suis tellement fier de moi.
Ah, je suis tellement fucking proche. Oh!
Oh! Oh!
Hey, 1 millimètre. Ça se compte plus en pips, là, ça se compte en millimètres.
That's what she says.
Yep.
Ça se compte plus en pipe. Ça se compte en millimètres.
God, man. At this point, if it goes back to my entry, I'm gonna just get out.
Smart. So far on my end, no trade. Been super patient.
15 minutes is strong. Yep. Si on brise le high du 15, c'est là que je mets auto, puis ça va sonner.
Nice, nice, nice.
Il y a une belle achat un Goldfin, ça serait malade.
Mais hein, c'est là que j'embarque.
Ah, oh, 100%. Tu sais, quand la ligne de spread est genre tout le temps en haut du auto-billet, mais le prix est tout le temps en bas, puis gars, il est là. Là, je t'ai mis. Mon stop il est en dessous de la wick courante, fait que je risque presque plus rien.
Oh, 5 likes away from 50. 50 like coming up.
Ils se sont réveillés un peu, le monde.
If we get a nice H1 engulfing candle closing above like 500, that would be nice. This is where I'm going to be in that trade. All right, getting close to 50 like. 4 likes incoming. 4 likes. Can we get it? I mean, Raven is going to dance for you if you guys hit 50 likes.
C'est clair. La mascotte.
Come on, just that should work. There should be work like at least 10 likes. Go, 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 Raven. It's your birthday. It's time to party. All right, now. Yep. Yep.
Hey, ça où les autres, là? Hier, c'était le party aujourd'hui, le monde sont pas contents.
Ah, c'est ça, là. Pas content parce qu'on a perdu. On a-tu perdu? Non, on a gagné. Hein?
Non, non, hier, on a gagné ça.
Qu'est-ce que tu veux? Ah, là-bas. Là-bas. Là-bas, là-bas.
Oh!
Oh! Oh, good job, Mark.
Thanks. Trading with Mark the Stash.
Mark this. Holy! Ça, c'était ton 11 pip ou 15?
Ça, ben là, j'étais à 13. Fait que,
Ok.
je vais mettre mon party.
Là, c'était auto-base, ça?
Ouais.
Nice. Good job, man.
Ah, l'importance d'éviter ses propriétés.
Absolument. Swipe up and swipe up, subscribe, and get the stash bundle. I just modified Brian's text on the chat. All right, nice little win there for you, Mark. Good job.
Yep. La deuxième de la semaine, let's go, on continue ça.
Let's go.
Mais je vais resend mon vrai full risk à 9h.
Yeah, I don't want this H1 to push too far because I want to be getting an entry if we do close engulfing above 500. That would be nice. Oh, look at this. We're getting that double top as I was talking about. Hold on, wait a second.
Wait a second.
Don't melt too far. Look at this 5-minute candle. What the fuck?
Gold. Man, oh man.
I need to close under this zone. And here 9 minutes for GA. We didn't broke previous low though. Oh, look at this thing. Fuck.
C'est bon pour GA. Pour GG, ça.
God damn it. Oh well.
Well,
Oh well, we're going straight for that safest trade that I wanted, so that's good. Because I mean, under this area, it's a free fall.
I'm free.
But that sucks, though. I want to be in that trade. It's a nice wick to fill here on H1. You know what? H4 is about to close like in 40 minutes. If H4 close like this, that'd be nice. Look, after this area on H4, it's, oh my gosh. Oh, Mr. Wago is back.
Yes, sir.
Il y a juste Miller, là, il est fâché que j'aille dit que son BTC à 10 000, là, que c'est son camp.
Inquiète-toi pas, il arrive, j'étais avec le ballon.
Ah, je sais, il est là, il a juste pas sa caméra ouverte. Fait que je fais exprès, je sais qu'il m'entend. T'sais, il pourra plus acheter des cadeaux à sa blonde, là. Si BTC va à 10 000, là. Oh, Mr. Miller's back! Oh shit! Oh shit! Nice hat.
It's funny because I just got my brother one, and I used the same as you did at FlexFit.
Okay.
I went to Lids, I got him a customized hat, the logo in the front, logo in the back.
Nice, man.
They're expensive, man.
Yeah, FlexFit is expensive.
Top tier shit, mate.
Top tier, man. Fait que pendant que vous étiez pas là, ben Mark il a caché du cash, là.
C'est quoi que vous avez pris encore, là?
DJ buys again. Ah non, hier c'était en short, right?
C'est tous les débats.
Non, DJ buys. Je roule du speed, j'attends pour avoir 13 pour prendre les trucs.
Avant QP, damn.
Ouais, la stash s'en vient wild, là. Il passe trop de temps avec moi, je pense.
C'est bien avant QP. Ah, mais c'est dans ma boîte jaune à chaque.
Oh, petit fou, laisse-toi aller.
So this is a chart coming from TJ. I took sell based on a simulation where I did not care about support resistance to the left. Dogtail entry after a strong candle, 65% success trade, 1-to-1. Awesome. This candle gave no entry because it had no wick. Okay. Base. Okay. Nice. Very nice, man. Very nice.
Very nice.
Good job, TJ.
C'est quoi les plans sur US 30 en matin, boys?
Attends un peu. On va regarder ça, mais avant, on va checker un petit chart visit. Oh, hold on. Wait a second.
Des affaires.
Alert on gold. God damn, I missed my entry on gold.
T'étais trop occupé à me voir gagner, t'as oublié ta transaction.
Calice de tabarnak.
Le gars est pas content.
Non, je suis vraiment pas content, man. J'attends ça depuis fucking hier, man. C'était ça que je voyais, man. Calice de merde de Chris.
Comment t'avais enlevé ça?
Ben, c'est parce que je voulais qu'il close juste comme là, là. Tu sais, je voulais pas qu'il close en bas, là. Tu sais, sur 5 minutes à la limite, mais tu sais, il a closé ben trop en bas, là. Tu veux que je calisse, là. On va attendre de péter cette zone-là. But if we do melt, if we do break this zone, though, after that, on gold, it's bye-bye. Holy fuck, look at this volume. What the hell is going on? Oh yeah, okay.
What's
Crazy.
going on? It's the marketing, you know. Omicron Prime is gonna be defeated.
The what?
Omicron Prime. The nouveau transformer.
Oh,
C'est pas la nouvelle livraison express d'Amazon?
ça c'est bon ça.
Ooh, GG, mon marque.
All right, we got a chart here from George. All right, so let's see here. Minus 16 pips. Okay. So entry candle as we closed below on the range. This was a weak. Yeah, it was. This is your mistake. This was a super weak closure, and also it's 15-minute time frame. So this is a super weak confirmation time frame. Differently should have closed partial here. Bullish close at support. This increased the chance of price driving back up in the range. Yeah, I think this one, like this one was a doji's for me. It's a write up. But when you see this one, like if you see a 30-minute or as soon as you break the high here, your trade idea is invalid. You know, so you can kind of close there. Manage risk here. Close 50% of my position right here. Okay, at the close of this one, that's still good. I mean, your risk is your loss less than what you were risking. So
Hey Phil, tu checkes-tu à Balance of Trade News?
Really like,
Mr. Bloomberg?
yeah. Pardon.
Ça
Le
annonce.
service c'est moins 106 milliards. Mais yeah, the survey says negative 6 billion. Let's see what we get.
all right, what's your bias here on US 30, boys?
It's a beat, fait que c'est
Non,
positif.
non, c'est negative 7.1. C'est vraiment pas. I think lower than by 300 million. It's not a big deal.
Mais c'est pas bon, ça, non? Worse than expected. Okay.
A little bit worse than 50.
Thank you.
If you want to doubt this girl.
Ah ouais, monsieur down. Get down.
Oh, what? GG just flipped.
It looks like it's a nice short entry there.
Yeah, 30-minute close. 30-minute close, bearish doji, rejecting this QP right here. Look like now we're coming back down.
Down.
Ooh, that's one.
Juste le Nasdaq qui monte. C'est chiant.
Oh, look at gold. God damn it.
C'est des gros moves.
Like under this zone, it's chow by.
Albert Blue Sky.
I need this candle to close under this area.
Voyons.
All right, let me go say bye to Arthur, and I'll be back.
We are.
C'est stash, man.
Also.
Ah, oh, tu me fais rire, man. T'as rien besoin de faire, tu me fais rire.
J'ai envie de t'en pleurer.
Exact.
Bon, ben, 8h30, je vais dip moi tous les gars. Si, je vais attendre le prochain achat sur GG.
Tu t'en vas.
J'ai essayé une fois, ça n'a pas marché. Si, on va attendre. Pas trop déconcentré Satch dans ses affaires.
Non, mais gros, moi, tu m'en triste, là, de partir.
Ouais, mais it is what it is. Allô, je vais être là demain.
Bon.
Quick boys, puis bonne session, Phil puis Wego, la télé.
Ciao, mon bro.
Okay.
Take care. C'est pas une grosse nouvelle, hein, Phil?
Non, vraiment pas.
Thinking to get out.
You on? You UPE or?
Non, je suis 3 points, là.
Yeah. Okay.
Une minute est pas pire, par contre. Après, je vais prendre une petite perte, OK? I know what I'm feeling.
Pam, 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 pam. Oh, Mark est parti.
Ouais.
Est-ce qu'il ça va?
Qui est son casse?
Il est en crise parce qu'il n'a pas pris de profit, là. Hein? Oh, missing one like. Missing one like for 50 like. 50. Hey!
Oh, Phil, yeah, 5 minutes.
Je sais pas. Sorry, I had a little dog fight. I'm waiting for the 5 minute or 15 minute to close under. And now we got a 5 minute close right at it. So let's see if this 15 minute can close under and use a Doctail setup on the next one. Or probably use Doctail setup on the 4-hour close. So if this 4-hour close like this, like in 24 minutes, it's gonna be a good melt. All right, we just reached 54 likes. Thank you so much, guys. Oh, look at that. Oh, goddamn. We broke the 5-minute low. That's what I was looking for. All right. I'm going to get a small entry right here.
Do you think what I need?
MDG sell là, sur le after 30-minute close was super big. Wow.
Actually, let's reduce the risk right here.
12 pips.
So 5 minutes. On what you said, Phil?
GJ.
Oh, GJ.
Perfect 12 pip trade. She would have sold at the break. Sold at the close.
Yeah, you're right in that 30-minute support though. Bam, bam, bam. All right, let's go, baby. Let's go. Oh, let's go. All right. Let's go. All right, 20 pips. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, 24. All right, let me close one of the position in full right here. At 24 pips. Here we go. Gonna let one position run. Put stop at break even. And that, holy. Let's go. All right, so congrats to anyone who took it. I'm gonna let this one run to 1768. 1768. 8. There we go.
She think what I need.
Let's go.
Mr. Gold Digger is back.
Yes, sir.
I like to see that.
All right, so oh, George says, oh wait, where's the comment? George, you waiting for okay? Is this paper trade? Oh no, this was live account. This was on my personal live account. I have recovered my loss. Haha, thank you, boss George. Hey, you're welcome, man. Smash the like button. W in the chat. Let's go. Fire emoji, bro. Fire emoji in the chat. Let's go. Yeah, man. That was pretty good. What was the reason you took that sell? Mind sharing? Yeah, it's something we broke down earlier in the session. Said that basically, let me grab this here. If you see, I was looking for a break and retest under this area. We have, if you look at 30 minutes here, you got your double top right here, breaking the neckline right here, you know, and you got clean traffic to the left side. So I was just waiting for a close under this area, but with the volume that gold had right now, it just like was pushing so hard that I went down on a 5-minute time frame waited for this one to close, and once this one broke the low, this is where I got the entry. Yeah, boy.
Ooh, 15 minutes closing soon.
Bonne journée de Sam.
Go up, fully up. Very same count with the pre-market.
Voyons donc. C'est pour ça que le Nasdaq a un bull run de même. That's for sure.
Mais le regardez, c'est pas plus nouvelle, c'est Apple. À moins qu'il aille sorti quelque chose, je sais pas. C'est moi qui suis Bloomberg. Quick.
Mr. Bloomberg.
Quick. Apple gets another street high target. There you go. Morgan Stanley upgraded their. Morgan Stanley upgraded Apple to a buy. Price target of $200 per share.
By the way, I closed my second position at 12 pips.
T'es pas sérieux, Phil? 200 piastres par jour. That's pretty big.
Sure, they're up 25% this year.
Wow, look at this QP, man. All right, so here GJ is about to close 4 hour in 15 minutes. So if this 4 hour close like this, probably gonna come down to this golden zone. So probably gonna maybe look if we can grab a counter trend trade to this golden zone and use this golden zone as a TP. Let's see on 30 minutes. Yeah, not much. The only thing I would see is a dogtail setup based on H1. That's gold. Gold, you can give it another try. If H4 closes like this, you wait for the break of the low on H4, and you can have a nice little ride down to 1768. And for GA, the only thing I was seeing here is a break and retest, but now it's just like stuck in there. And the thing is, it's already too low right now for me to get in because the support's right here. So GA is kind of a no-go. The only thing is if this candle flips bullish, you know, and close above here, I might give it a try. Because that means we're respecting the safety net. But so far we did close H1 under the safety net. So if H4 do close under the safety net, we're coming down. Because right now the structure is still, bullish here, right? But if we do close under this area, it's a big sign of coming down. But again, if I see a flip here, a nice bullish candle, it can be really, really nice to go retest the previous high. All right. So we got 12 minutes.
Hey Sash, tu veux tirer un peu?
Vas-y.
J'ai été me faire vacciner ma deuxième dose.
OK.
Puis, ben, j'aime vraiment pas ça. Fait que j'ai demandé d'avoir le chien de thérapie.
Ouais.
Tu sais pas c'était quoi le chien?
C'était quoi?
Et la dernière fois, c'était un beau labrador. Un gros labrador, il était super fin et tout. Là, il m'a envoyé un fucking chihuahua.
Ah non!
Ah, t'as le temps, ça c'est pissant, man. Le chien, il shake plus que moi.
The dog is like as big as his hand.
That's so funny. What will be SL on gold, Jason? On gold? Oh, it depends. It depends on how it's gonna close. If I use dogtail, it's gonna be placed above the wick. If it starts just melting down, probably gonna use a fixed 20 pip stop loss. Dun, 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 dun. All right, got 9 minutes. Let me go feed those dogs.
Hey, es-tu dans ta famille JT Miller de Vancouver, Phil?
No.
You know, tu connais ce joueur-là?
Yeah. My dad, when I was younger, he was like, "You're related to Ryan Miller from the Buffalo Sabres."
Ouais.
Because I was a goalie, right?
Oh yeah, he wore a goal. Fucking nice.
But yeah,
T'as-tu joué pas mal ou?
oui, j'ai joué, j'allais jouer en Amérique pendant avoir 2 ans. J'ai joué
Arrête.
en aussi, j'ai joué en Ontario aussi.
Non, oui. Tu jouais où quand tu es au Québec?
J'ai J'étais pour jouer dans Saint-Louis. J'ai fait juste pour le boire noir.
Ben non.
Durant le temps, on continue de faire ça pour le
Tu connais-tu Logan Clark? He's a fucking good player.
How old is he?
25 maybe? Je viens de close à faire 20 points, by the way. On a break even.
Hockey player. That's like a super basic name. Faire l'ancien avant.
Yep. C'est le fils du partner à mon père. Il est live, il étudie à 25 points. Il étudie à Colby University.
Yeah, he gave it Wait till birth count.
Ben oui. Il y a tellement des mains, ce gars-là, c'est cave. Mais live, il fait du streaming de Call of Duty. Il réussit fucking bien, man. Il fait sérieux annuellement, là. Tu serais saisi, là.
Yeah.
Saisi. C'est fou comment des domaines de même. Underrated, but.
24 right now. Et j'ai plus hockey.
Non, cette année, il a pris une pause parce qu'il n'est pas vacciné, fait qu'il peut pas aller à. Ça, c'est stupide, là. En tout cas, c'est sa décision.
Yeah. Nice.
27 points.
Not, we're still in the looking toward blocks.
Come on, Monsieur Down. Laisse-moi pas down.
All right. 4 minutes. 4 minutes before the close of H4.
Monsieur Down, go down. Almost 9 o'clock.
Yes, the course, it's a lifetime mentorship. Yes. So you pay once and you have access. And don't worry, even if you start your own courses after that, I'm not going to kick you out of the program like some people do.
Est-ce que tu t'es fait kick out? Ou...
Yeah, I got kicked out.
Non, c'est pas vrai.
Yeah. Oh, Charlene, what's up, girl? Hey, what's up, Charlene? How are you doing? Just came to drop a like. Hey, thank you so much, Charlene. Very appreciate Awesome gold cells. Hope you caught them. Hell yeah, girl. Caught it somewhere in here on the 5 minute. So I was waiting from since yesterday. I actually tried an Asian session to grab a move under this area. Um, but it didn't play it out. And today I was just waiting for something to go under this area. And once this 5 minute close, I took a sell on the break of the low here, and yeah, so pretty happy. I was expecting actually price to melt a little bit more, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. It closed one position in full at 24 pips, and the second one at 12 pips. So pretty happy with it. By the way, guys, if you don't know Charlene, make sure you give her a follow on YouTube and Instagram. And you definitely want to watch this episode here, Forex Talk Over a Beer with Charlene. This was freaking amazing. She dropped a lot of gems, and she broke down a trade at the end. That's actually the trade that made her pass the challenge, the torch challenge. So that's pretty cool, actually. Pretty cool. We're gonna have to do this again, Charlene. That was so much fun. Let's go. Yes, girl. So are you taking off this month? Or you keep on trading? Because I know there was a lot of pressure for that challenge. So I don't know if you needed a little break. I think you took a break off for the end of the week last week, if I'm right. Yeah. Holy. Um, this was my last week of trading. Then vacation mode activated. Oh, okay, perfect, awesome. Dun, 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 dun. So let's see here. We got 3 seconds. All right. 3 seconds left for the close of this H4. So let's take a look. All right. So we did close bearish, very nice, strong. So right now, GJ, we did stay above this support though. So H1 did close doji, small body candle, 30-minute close, engulfing with a huge rejection to the downside. So I think if we do break the high here, um, and if we break 500 QP, you might see a movement to the upside. But don't forget, you're going against this 4 hour candle. So it might go up a little bit, create a top wick, and come down after. So I'm not going to get into buys right now. I would be getting in buys if I see a very nice H1 engulfing candle at this support. It would make sense because we're rejecting also 382 on the fib. Um, but yeah, right now we're just rangy, so I don't really like it. Yeah, it might be a long shot, but I'm gonna wait for price to retrace in this area. So it might be in the afternoon. I might take a swing trade. I don't know. We'll see. Um, about gold, gold H4 did close bearish. So right now, if you want to give gold another try, you can wait to break the low on the H4, and you can have a nice little trade also. Yeah. 30-minute. Amazing. We might, on the lower time frame, we might get this break and retest here. So what about GA 4 hour candle? GA 4 hour candle. Oh, okay. So here we did close under the safety net on the fib. So if I do see a nice wick up and breaking the low on H1 on GA, we can wick fill this wick here on this H4. Let's take a look on the H1 time frame. Sorry. Yeah. No, it's a no go for me. No go. GA will look nice if I see a nice big ass bullish candle closing above the safety net, meaning that we're gonna respect that fib play. But so far, we're not looking good right now because the main trend is still bullish, right? So I'm gonna wait for something, a very nice engulfing, a very nice engulfing candle right here, and that would be it. So I don't see that happening in the next 30 minutes. So what I'll do is probably close the stream and go get ready for my day. Let's take a look fast on gold. I'm just gonna wait a little bit on gold to see if we can melt in the next couple minutes. Oh, Phil, later, check GJ. Okay, buongiorno a toi. Might get an impulsive entry at the break of 500. Okay, okay, makes sense. Yeah, can make sense. You got this H1 wick fill here. Yeah, it can be nice. All right, then. So, yeah, we're going to close the stream. So, thank you very much for watching, guys. Thank you so much. Wish you an amazing day, and I'll see you tomorrow night at Forex Talk with Beer. Have an amazing day. Take care, guys.